What's our Tagalog word here? Come on, give everyone a kiss muna. Kiss. Kiss everyone. Magandang hapon sa lahat. Good afternoon, everyone. Time for another Tagalog WOTD before the month of August ends. So, our Tagalog word is ganern. 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 Ganern is a slang Filipino word that means, is that so? Is that so? And just want to add that the standard Filipino word for our, there's a fly. Just want to add that the standard Filipino word for our Tagalog WOTD is ganoon. Ganoon? Is that so? So, Mama, what's the difference between the Ilocano word tawa and the Tagalog word tawa? Yeah. So, what's the difference with the Ilocano tawa and the Tagalog tawa?
Wala naman Tagalog na tawa.
There is, Mudra. Come on, Mudra.
Tawa. Tawa. Love.
Lap.
Love. L-A-U-G-H.
What about the tawa, Ilocano tawa?
The tawa in Filipino is the window.
Ganern? Ganern? And that's about it. That's all for our quick learn Tagalog WOTD. Ganern. 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 Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, everyone. Bye-bye, mga ate at kuya. Until next time.